Hey honey! Welcome to my channel, Designed by Eide. I'm Theresa, I'm a professional fashion designer and I am here to share my secrets with you. I will teach you how to design a bestseller, how to make a really strong collection, how to nail that job interview, how to spec a garment, how to make really great designs, how to source producers, how to make measurement charts, anything you need to know, okay? I have worked as a professional fashion designer for 14 years. I have done kidswear, menswear, womenswear, sportswear, red carpet dresses. I have made complete collections for many brands like Disney and many others. I have worked with celebrities like Kygo. I have done fashion shows at Fashion Week. And I do it all. I design, I spec, I make the measurement charts, I do the entire product development process, I source producers, I travel to China. I do it all. I make sure that everything that I have designed is made the way I want it to be made, and then it's ready to hit the stores. So when I walk around, I see a lot of my designs everywhere around me, in the stores and on the people, and it's such a good feeling. It's a lot of work, but it's good work. It's really a good feeling. And if you want to achieve the same, I will make you a deal. If you click subscribe and hit the bell, I will share all of my secrets with you. Deal? See ya.